Hi everyone, today we are talking about the Aspen catalog and how to use it. So this video is specifically for you super users. So today I will talk about how to use your checkout history, lists, and ratings and recommendations. So let's dive on in. So first I will talk about checkout history. And so this is used if you wanted to keep track of all of the items that you've checked out from the library. So first you would want to sign in here. And you know what, I'm going to use And so here I am logged into a generic Downers Grove Library account. You'll see we have nothing checked out. But what you can do is click on this hamburger menu and click on My Account. This will be the same page that pops up once you log in. On this left-hand side, you'll see Checkout History. You'll see right here a little bit of information about the library and our pledge to you about confidentiality. So we do not keep records of anything that you've borrowed after it's been returned unless you turn this on. But if you would like to keep track of your checkouts, all you have to do is click this button that says start recording my checkouts and everything will be logged for you to be able to see in a list as you go forward. For those of you who are looking to transfer your checkout history from our old catalog, definitely go to the Ask Us desk on the second floor and ask a staff member to help you recreate that checkout history. You do not have to lose it. We can help you bring that over to our new catalog. All right, so the next thing I wanted to check in on with you is lists. So if you're interested in creating lists, this is a great way for you to keep track of some of your favorite books, or if you're looking for things that maybe you love certain cookbooks and you want all of your cookbooks in one place. So what you can do is you can come into your account on the side where it says my account, and you'll see my lists right here. You can click on that and it'll say create a new list. I'm going to title mine cookbooks, and if you wanted, you can add in a description. These are my favorite cookbooks. And then, of course, you can change it to public or private, so you can decide if you want anybody in our library system to be able to see it. For me, I want to keep this private. So I'll say create list. So then you'll see that your list shows up in my lists. And what you can do is you can add multiple titles. And so if you know a book that you wanted to add, see, and this is a great example. If you want, you can just type in the title and the author or the ISBN and it'll add for you. Right here, I wanted to add Everyone's Table by one of my favorite chefs, Gregory Gardeau, but I don't remember how he spells his name, so I'm just going to say Everyone's Table Gregory and see if it comes up. Here it is. And then that will be in my list. So as I go through, this is a way you can definitely keep track of any books that you're really interested in. Something else that you can do is if you're looking for books in our catalog, you'll see appears on list and it shows up on my cookbooks list. So I can click here if I'm searching and I can say, oh, look, I already put this on my list. What else is on there? Let's check it out. These are my favorite cookbooks, and then I could go from there. And so these lists are a really great way to keep track of all of your checkouts or your favorite books. So finally, I'm going to be talking about the ratings and recommendations feature here in the Aspen catalog. So this is really great if you want to find books that are really curated for you by the catalog. And if you maybe aren't able to get into the library to talk to a librarian for a recommendation, this is another way you can go. So after you search for something or have maybe read something and you really love it, what you can do is you can rate it. And right under the title or the picture of the book, you'll see that there is a 5-star rating system. This is a really great one. So I'm going to go ahead and give it 5 stars. Once you have done that, you can go into your name here and you can see titles that you've rated. And here you go. You can see books that you've rated and what you rated them as. See? So you can see titles that I've previously rated and titles that I maybe don't want recommended to me um, after I've looked at some of the recommendations that they've made based off of these. So once you've rated enough titles, you'll be able to get books that are curated specially for you. So you can click on recommended for you right here in this right-hand side. And these books will give you books that are a lot like the ones that you've already checked out that, you know, Aspen thinks will be a good fit. So obviously, the book by Gregory Gardot is giving me books by Bobby Flay, Anthony. But then again, I also really love books by comedians. So here's like Diane Keaton. And really, this will just be a curated list of books that are specific to you based off of your interests and your ratings. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and check that out.